Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Progressive Auto Insurance user password. Open the website, then click Log In. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Things to Do. Now on this page, scroll down until you see a section for Account Preferences. Click on Account Preferences. On this page, you will see a section for Access and Security. Under Access and Security, you will see an Update button. Click on Update. Under Account Credentials, you will see a section for Password. On its right side, you will see an option for Change Your Password. Click on Change Your Password. On the first field, enter your current password. Then on the second and third field, enter the new password you wish to use. After entering the required information, click Submit. That's how you change your Progressive Auto Insurance user password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.